All right, everyone. Today, let's talk about HYSA. I'm going to tell you what that means in a second, but how it is compared to money market funds. And I want to explain this in a pretty simple manner. Look, if you're new to saving, investing, or managing cash, you may hear people talk about HYSAs and money market funds as if they're the same thing. They're similar in purpose, but they work very differently. This video, I want to explain it to complete beginners, and we'll explain both options in plain language so that you can understand how they actually function. So let's start with what an HYSA is. HYSA stands for High Yield Savings Account. It is a savings account offered by a bank that pays a higher interest rate than a traditional savings account. Your money sits at the bank, earns interest, and can usually be accessed easily. The most important feature of a HYSA is safety. You see, HYSAs are typically insured by the government up to certain limits. You always need to check with your bank to make sure what those limits are. But this means that even if the bank fails, your money is protected within those limits. For beginners, this makes HYSAs feel similar or feel familiar and have low stress. HYSAs are designed for parking cash that you may need in the near future. Emergency funds, short-term savings, or money waiting to be deployed often live there. Well, now let's talk about money market funds. There's a little bit of a difference. You see, a money market fund is not a bank account. It's an investment product. Instead of your money sitting at the bank, it's pooled together with other investors' money and invested in short-term, low-risk debt like government securities or corporate paper. The goal of a money market fund is stability and income. It aims to keep the value of your investment steady while paying interest based on current market rates. Well, this brings us to a key difference. HYSAs are deposits, whereas money market funds are investments. Because of this, they follow different rules. With an HYSA, the bank promises to pay you interest and return your deposit. With a money market fund, returns depend on the performance of the underlying investment. While money market funds are considered low risk, they are not guaranteed in the same way a bank account is. All right, so now we need to think about access. How hard is it to access these funds? HYSAs usually allow easy transfers and withdrawals. Pretty fast, right? Money market funds may require selling shares before accessing cash. Although many brokerage platforms make this process quick and seamless, you gotta know that there's difference in timelines. Another big difference is interest behavior. HYSAs, the rates are set by banks and can lag behind market changes, whereas money market fund yields tend to move more closely with interest rates because they are tied to short-term debt markets. In a rising rate environment, money market funds are often adjusted faster. Think about risk here. HYSAs are designed to protect principal. Money market funds are designed to preserve value, but they still carry some market risk. For most people, the risk is small, but it's not zero. This is why understanding your purpose matters. If the money must be there no matter what, in case of emergency, an HYSA often makes sense. If the goal is to earn a bit more yield while accepting minimal risk, a money market fund may be appropriate. Another important beginner concept is where these accounts live. HYSAs, they live at banks. You can go to any bank and open them up. Money market funds live at brokerages or investment platforms. This affects how they are regulated, how they're accessed, and how they fit into your overall financial setup. And here's one big mistake that beginners make. They choose based on the interest rate. Rate matters, but structure actually matters more. That's why you're watching this video. And let me know if this is waking you up like, oh man, I never thought of this before, right? The structure matters more. The right question is not which one pays more today. The right question is, what role is this money playing in your life? And here's a big takeaway. HYSAs offer simplicity, insurance, and predictability. Money market funds offer flexibility, market-based yields, and investment-style access to cash like assets. Neither is better in all situations. but they serve different purposes. And once you understand how each works, choosing becomes much easier. You stop chasing headlines and you start matching tools to goals. And that is how beginners turn cash management into a quiet but powerful advantage. Now go forth and crush it.